Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live from Sugarloaf, New York, and just feeling under the weather, so I'm just relaxing here doing this video. That's what you can do with this work from anywhere stuff. As you can see here, $24,426 in residual checks, another 486 pending. And when you come into here, the other income stream in this automated funnel, another $2,400 in, folks, as you can see right here. That's $2,400, all from this autopilot system here called Multiple Income Funnel. Link below, you're going to watch a video. You're going to go to a page, okay, and then you're going to watch the video. So after that, you're going to set up income stream number 1 right here. As you can see, that is completed, okay? You want to make sure you set that up. You want to make sure you join the Facebook group, okay? Income stream number 2. You want to make sure you watch this video, okay? You want to make sure you watch this video, all 14 minutes of it, okay? And then you're going to click here to learn more. When you click here to learn more, it's going to take you me $2,400 here, and I had another $2,400 the day before come into my Cash App. So you want to follow what I'm saying here. So you want to come into here, and you want to make sure you watch this video, explains the product, okay? And you're going to scroll down and you're going to let the team, my team makes the phone calls for me, okay? So they take all my calls, they explain everything for me. All I do, and I'm going to show you how to do this, is send the eyeballs to my multiple income funnel system, okay? Which is right here. I just send eyeballs to here. So that's your first step. Start with multiple income funnel. Make sure you're set up with that. That link is below. One link, you get all these income streams. And right now, if you're watching this, we're going to go into my values MIF, which is this. This is the system you actually need right here to be successful in any online affiliate marketing business. You're going to, if you go annual, I'm going to give you a spot in my Powerline Hub that's generated me $12,000 already at the $100 product level. And you're going to get, what are you going to get? You're going to get leads, okay, folks? You're going to get leads, okay? You're going to get leads to share your multiple income funnel business with it, okay? You're going to get leads, okay? Now, if you go to the second income stream, which is right here, when you give us a call after you watch this video in your multiple income funnel back office, if you start at the gold, the first package, okay, I'm going to give you a $250 spot in my Powerline Hub here. All right, which includes the live Facebook training, live text message marketing training as well, which also comes with the annual, if you go annual and MIF. If you start at platinum, which is the mid-level in online consistent money right here, okay, you're going to get a $500 spot in my Powerline Hub right here. Again, after you get started in multiple income funnel right here, at annual, you're going to email scottsbonuses@gmail.com, so we can get you instructions on how to claim all these bonuses. All right. So that's going to give you, if you go to the mid-grade, that's going to give you $500 more commissionable. Plus you're going to get all the trainings. Plus you're going to get my email training, and you're going to get traffic. Okay. I'm going to send 200 clicks. I'm going to start your business, okay? Right here. I'm going to start your business. Actually, in gold here, I'm starting your business too. 100 premium clicks, okay? That's premium clicks, folks. That's what I'm using every single day to be successful in my multiple income funnel business, as you could see right here, which is very, very clear that it's been paying me now every week for the last 3 years, okay? This is real right here, folks. So that's all I wanted to tell you there. And then if you go all in, you're all the way in, you're serious about your business right here. Guess what, folks? You go diamond, you're gonna get all in my Powerline Hub, which gives you the YouTube training, every training, and plus $1,000 commissions, okay, folks? You're going to get 400 premium, yes, folks, I said premium clicks, okay? And you're going to get the live YouTube training, and you're going to get a branded done for you funnel builders basic package. Okay? And if may I add, you're going to get a chance to win in the Cash App drawing as well. All this will be emailed to you. Just this document is below as well, so you can review for yourself. But either way, look at the bonus 4,000. You're doubling your commissions here. So that's it, folks. Let me go over this one last time how to get started. Basically, you're going to come over here. You're going to set up income stream number 1. Then you're going to, once you're done, once this says completed, you're going to come here, set up income stream number 2. Make sure when you come to here, after you're watching everything, you call the number and you tell them I sent you and you want my updated 2024 value stacks. And then that's it. Then you're going to email scottsbonuses@gmail.com after you've gone annual and multiple income funnel and you spoke with OCM and you're ready to come on board. I look forward to helping you in 2024. Make more money from home and fire that boss. Bye for now.